Private label, OEM strategy for a building materials and furniture supermarket chain. Factory selection, technical standards, QA, QC, warranty, and a good, better, best architecture. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll walk you through a practical operator-grade playbook to build and scale private label OEM across building materials and furniture. We'll cover the why, the how, and the numbers, from factory selection to technical standards, QA, QC, warranty, and a good, better, best GBB product architecture that wins on value and trust. 1. Strategic rationale. Why private label, OEM margin and control. 300-800 BPS margin upside versus national brands. Control over specs, packaging, lead times. Differentiation. Unique ranges and bundles that competitors can't instantly copy. Price trust. Everyday value at key price points while protecting quality. Assortment agility. Faster refresh on trend, color, and pack size. 2. Governance. How we run it, non-negotiables. One owner, a private brand office, PBO, with cross-functional leads. Sourcing, R&D, QA, packaging, legal, sustainability, after sales. Stage-gate, concept, RFX, pilot, PPAP, SOP ramp, mass production, post-launch review. Golden sample and spec pack. Every SKU has a signed master spec pack, plus retained golden samples stored with QA and supplier. 3. Factory selection, RFI RefQ to signed vendor RFI, long list, capability map, certifications, ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, major equipment, capacity, top customers, social compliance, BSCI, SMETA, EHS. Technical pre-screen, materials mastery, process flow, in-house labs, traceability, tooling capability. On-site audit, shortlist, quality system and documentation, incoming inspection and traceability, in-process control, SPC, CP, CPK on CTQs, final inspection and rework control, testing lab, category relevant standards, maintenance and calibration packaging and ISTA practices, EHS and social compliance, data, EDI readiness. Business continuity, dual utilities, fire protection, disaster plan. Commercials, target cost, MOQs, tooling, payment terms, rebates, lead time, SLAs, VMI consignment options. Pilot order, 0 series with PPAP, control plan, PFMEA, process flow, first article report, capability study, COA. Pass before SOP. 4. Technical standards, by major category, spec examples, tiles, porcelain, ceramic. Water absorption class, e.g., porcelain, with 0.5%. Dimensional accuracy and warpage. Surface quality, PEI abrasion rating. Slip resistance, R rating pendulum. Breaking strength. Carton compression. Palletization rules. Bathroom, sanitary ware, faucets. Vitreous China water seal and flush performance. Glaze thickness. Faucet body material, e.g., low lead brass. Plating stack, e.g., nickel, 812, plus chrome, 0.2, 0.5 Mi. Flow rates, pressure and life cycle tests. Corrosion, salt spray hours, hose burst tests. Kitchen, sinks, cabinets, worktops. Stainless grade and thickness. Sound deadening, anti-corrosion. Cabinet substrate moisture resistance, E1 emissions or better. Hinge, slide cycles, BOT 50K. Worktop abrasion, heat, impact, electrical and lighting, conductor spec, thermal rise, ingress protection by use, e.g., wet area IP44+, surge, dielectric, LED lumen maintenance, power factor, flicker metrics, plug socket standards by market, doors and hardware, door core density, veneer skin spec, warp tolerance, acoustic FR options, hardware cycle life, finish abrasion, salt spray, smart lock EMC and battery life, paint and coatings, VOC limits, interior low VOC, coverage M2L, scrub washability class, alkalinity resistance, exterior UV and mildew tests, tinting compatibility, tools, hand power, metallurgy hardness, torque and runout, battery and charger safety, EMC, insulation class, accessories fit, endurance cycles, furniture structural load and stability, tip over, fastener pullout, seam foam durability, formaldehyde emissions, E1/E0, color fastness, abrasion, spec pack contents, every SKU, BOM, materials, finishes, drawings with CTQS, tolerance table, process flow, packaging die lines, labeling, barcodes, care instructions, installation manual, photo standards. 5. QA/QC system, designing quality into the process. APQP mindset, CTQs defined at design, process FMEAs with prevention controls. Incoming, IQC, AQL plan, e.g., critical 0, major 2.5, minor 4.0, COA for regulated components. In process, IPQC, capability greater than or equal to 1.33 on CTQS, visual defect boards, first piece and hourly checks. Final, FQC, sampling per AQL, functional tests, packaging drop compression, IST1A/3A as applicable. Traceability, lot/date code maps to raw batch and line, 8D and 5Y on any failure threshold, CAR with due dates and verification runs. Golden sample control, locked in a climate-stable cabinet, any change, formal reapproval, retail simulation, store handling tests, pallet moves, shelf edge trials, signage legibility. 6. Warranty and after sales, trust you can measure policy by category. Typical, tiles, stone, 10-year manufacturing warranty, defects, sanitary ware, 5 to 10 years body, 2 to 3 years fittings, faucets, 5 years mechanical, 2 years finish, electrical lighting, 2 to 3 years, tools, 1 to 3 years, register for extended, furniture, 2 to 5 years, frames foam by spec, paint, performance warranty by system and substrate with application T and Cs, parts ecosystem, spare parts catalog, pick rates greater than or equal to 95%, parts held for warranty horizon, service network, certified installers/repair partners with SLAS, response, fixed time, QR-based product registration, claim triage via app, controlled reverse logistics, quality cost tracking, R per 1,000 units, parts cost per claim, time to resolution, NPS after service. 7. Good, better, best, GBB, architecture that sells projects good, value, essential performance that beats opening price points, simplified options, high KVI visibility, better, core, the workhorse, broader finishes, colors, comfort features, higher test thresholds, longer warranty, best, premium, design signatures, pro-grade materials, advanced functions, extended warranty, sustainability claims where validated. How we make GBB irresistible. Feature ladders by category, e.g. faucet, zinc body, brass plus ceramic cartridge plus PVD finish. Packaging, clear icons, color-coded tiers, QR manuals, good equals bold price beacons, best equals design storytelling. Planogram rules, good at eye level for price trust, better is widest, best anchors image bays, price fences, step-ups that customers can feel, finish, longevity, install speed, warranty. 8. Sustainability and compliance, designed in, not added on. Materials, low VOC paints, FSC/PEFC wood, where applicable, low lead brass, recyclable packaging. Restricted substances, category-specific RSL/PSL, and supplier testing cadence. ESG audits, social compliance, EHS, waste and energy, KPIS embedded in vendor scorecards. Claims governance, any eco-claim substantiated in the spec pack and packaging copy bank. 9. Commercial mechanics, make the P&L sing target cost models with should cost breakdowns. Annual cost down and yield up programs. Rebates, growth, on-time delivery, quality, sustainability. Inventory, safety stock on SKUs, VMI, or consignment for long lead bulky items. Dual sourcing for critical lines. Launch bundles, attach rates built into forecasts, e.g. tile, adhesive/grout/trims. Marketing, project stories, comparison charts, how-to content, Pro quotes and B2B kits. 10. KPIs. Run the system by the numbers. Quality. R 1000 units, first pass yield, CP/CPK on CTQS, ppm defects, on time, CAR closure. Supply, OTIF%, lead time, supplier scorecard index, capacity utilization. Commercial, gross margin percent, GMROII, NPD hit rate, price index versus key brands, promo ROI. Customer, OSAT/NPS, warranty rate percent, time to resolution, parts fill rate, attach rates. Speed, concept to shelf days, PPAP cycle, change control lead time. 11. 90-day implementation plan. Days 1 to 30, stand up PBO, lock GBB roadmaps per category, publish RFI, draft master RSL like PSL, create spec pack templates and golden sample SOP. Days 31 to 60. Audit shortlist vendors, place pilot orders with PPAP, design packaging and manuals, write warranty policies, train stores and service partners. Days 61 to 90. ISTA/field trials, price fences and planograms, soft launch in 10 pilot stores, daily dashboard, 8D any defects, approve mass rollout. Private label/OEM is not just a cheaper label, it's an operating system. When we select the right factories, lock tight specs, verify with QA/QC, stand behind a real warranty, and ladder the offer good, better, best, we earn price trust and project trust. Do that consistently, and our building materials and furniture chain doesn't just sell products. We own the project from idea to install, profitably and at scale.